This is part 5 of the Texas Special, where I'm going to be opening 2 of these ridiculously heavy boxes of hard drives that I brought back from Texas until I run out of them. So let's see what's inside this one. This one's particularly heavy. TM262, 3000 series, 238, Melty 8000 series. I think there's a WD, or an IBM WD12 or something underneath there. Let's get these out of here and look. Here's what we got. We got 8438, 8425, 8438, 8438. These are all 6053s. 3053, TM262, ST238R, Priam ID60AT, that's a nice find. 10 on TM252 with the faceplate, and an IBM WD12. So let's see if any of these do anything. Alright, here's an 8438. Nothing. 8425. Ooh, that's good. Seek error, though, so another 8438. Ooh. That was smoke. Did you see that? It smells like smoke. Where from? Of course, whatever it was is already let out all its smoke. Okay, next one. Alright, and here is the last 8438 for this box. Nothing. Tandon TM262. Ooh. Hey, hey. So, those first few clicks were the overcurrent protection on the power supply, and then I got a lovely smoke smell, and then it started to spin. Interesting, they unplugged the LED. Stuck stepper, as usual, but I think this drive might come around. Really dusty, neglected ST238R. That sounds like head crash to me, but we'll find out. No, I think that's damage on cylinder 0. I think it still spun, and it still seeked, but I don't think that was that's going to work ever again. Here's a Mini Scrab 3053. Nope. Didn't feel like it today. Why is this not focusing? Priam V170, aka an ID60AT, which is the interspace number. These drives are pretty well known for tantalum capacitors that go bang when you turn them on for the first time. So let's look at the control board for this one. Yeah, that's a short. Listen to the power supply. Alright. 10 on TM502 with a really weird looking brass stepper. They have a damper on top that's oil filled typically, and usually the oil leaks out and keeps the stepper free, so reasonable design longevity wise at least. That works. Of course it does. This is an IBM WD12. Everyone always calls these Western Digitals, but they are definitely IBM. The stepper is down here in the corner, and it looks kind of terrible, but let's see if it does anything. That's stuck. So I'm going to say that that probably will work, but is not going to right now. The first of 3 6053s. I think that one's working. Another 6053. Apparently this one passed its quality control October 29th, 1986 by Benjamin. So, hi there, Benjamin. Hopefully you're still out there. Hopefully your drive still works. I would say so. Certainly sounds like it, at least. Another 6053. This one was passed in 87 by someone else. I have no idea who this is. But let's see if it works. No, that one does not work. Well, that was terrible percentage-wise for working drives. 4 bad, 3 bad, so 7, 8 bad. But we did get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that work or can be made to work. So that's nice. On to the next box. All right, here's the next one, which is looks like a Mini Scribe 3000, Mini Scribe 3000, ST251. Probably another Mini Scribe 3000. Let's pull these out and have a look. All right, here's what we got. A CMI CM6640, ST4038, Toshiba MK56FB, several Mini Scribe 3425s, and an ST251. Here's the ST251. Working, but I don't know how long. Here's the 4038. I don't know about that bearing. Junk. The first of the 3425s. Nothing. Here's the next one. That's not a great sound. Stuck stepper. Here's the next one. It's a better sound. Stuck stepper, kind of figured. Sounds kind of rough too. This last one is actually labeled bad. Let's see if they're right. Error code, probably for the stuck stepper. Here's the Toshiba MK56. Yes, I don't think it's supposed to do that, so that's probably not working, sadly. Alright, here is the CM6640, which is the last drive in this box. Well, it started to spin and stopped, so that was a good try at least. Tune in next week for the next one.